Hi, my name is Richard Dodd. I'm an attorney, and I've been practicing law for over 30 years. I'm an attorney with Capilano, Dodd & Krebs. My partners and I have been doing this a long time, and we have uncovered information with regard to your situation that you may not have been thinking about. So you think, well, things happen. Accidents happen. Sometimes when you take medications, things happen. Well, accidents do happen, but you know, there's usually a reason they happen. Was it the brakes? Was it the tires? Was it the driver? Well, we don't know right now, do we? So we need to figure it out. We need to get on top of it and look at what went on. What was the situation before this wreck? You can call it an accident if you want, but accidents don't just happen without something else predating it. Something else, usually involving corporate greed, usually involving profit. I know you don't like to think about that. I know you have a lot of other stuff on your mind right now. But believe me, if a truck driver is safe, if a truck driver follows the rules, a truck driver's not going to kill people. It just doesn't happen. It's when the rules are broken. It's when there's this race for profit over people that bad things happen like this. Call us at 1-800-460-0606. We at Capilano, Dodd & Krebs are ready for your call to action.